Today, we will make a simple and beautiful face pack with papaya. This fruit is not only tasty but also a powerhouse of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and lot more. All of us wish to have a clear, dark spots free, pigmentation free, natural glowing skin. But we go to the beauty parlor and spend a lot of money just to make the face look a little brighter with the help of some chemicals. It helps our skin to look brighter instantly, but it may harm our skin in the longer term. So, if you have half an hour on your hands, you can easily make this face mask at home. If you want, you can apply only papaya paste on your face. It will give a cooling sensation on your face. As it is rich in potassium, it has the tendency to hydrate dry and dull skin. So, it is a natural moisturizer. It helps fade away pigmentation and lightens dark spots. Papaya also consists of an enzyme called papain, which promotes healing of the skin and will also enhance the secretion of collagen when used topically for the skin. Collagen is a primary skin component that keeps the skin healthy and enhances skin elasticity. If you are looking for a papaya face pack for glowing skin, then this is going to be the best choice of yours. Now make a creamy paste of the papaya pieces with the help of a blender. You only need 3 to 4 spoons of it to make this DIY homemade face mask. Now, as the second ingredient, we will add 2 spoons of plain yogurt. It also helps to diminish the appearance of wrinkles. Its exfoliant properties helps our skin from being dry and dull to lighter and softer. The third ingredient is raw honey. Honey has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that helps in the moisturizing of our skin. It also acts as pore cleanser, which helps remove dirt from pores. Now, the last ingredient we are adding is fuller's earth or multani mitti. Its lime content is known to kill harmful bacteria and remove excess oil and dirt, thus leaving the skin clean and soft. The best part is whether you have dry skin or normal skin, fuller's earth can be applicable to any type. Multani mitti cleanses and purifies skin by pulling out oil, dirt and impurities, so naturally gives a healthy natural glow to our skin. Now mix all the ingredients very well until it gets a creamy texture. If you are wondering how to make our skin so soft and glowing, then use it routinely. Apply it on your face and keep it for 30 minutes to dry. Then wash it with cool water. You will be amazed to see the changes in few days.